Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to cover prime and composite numbers. Basically, what are prime numbers and composite numbers? Prime number means a prime number is a number that exactly has two factors, which are those 1 and the number itself. Here are some examples 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and so on. Let me take an example. If I take 2 as example, 2 can only divisible by 1 and 2 means it is divisible by only 1 and the number itself. If I consider 3, it is divisible by 1 and 3, 1 and the number itself. So which all numbers having exactly two factors, these are called factors. Two factors are called prime numbers. If I take any number from this, if I take 17, it is only divisible by 1 and the number itself 17. So except these numbers, it can't divisible by other than 1 and 17. So it is called a prime number. So it has only two factors. What if I consider 4? It's divisible by 1 and it is divisible by 4 also. But and it has another number to divisible, so which is 2. So it has more than 2. So it is called composite number. So it is not in the list. And here are some important points. 2 is the only even prime number. In this list, you can notice that there are no even numbers other than 2. All numbers except 2 are odd numbers. Only 2 is the even prime number. This is special case. Only 2 is the even prime number. There are no other even numbers in the prime numbers other than 2. And every prime number greater than 2 is odd. That's what I mean. Every number greater than 2 is odd. These all are greater than 2, right? These all are odd. Even if you continue writing these numbers, all numbers are odd numbers only. No even number comes. Even numbers are not comes other than 2. As I told, composite number means having factors more than 2. More than 2 means opposite of prime numbers. It has only two factors, right? In this, more than 2. So, more than 2 means, as I consider 4 as an example, it can be divisible by 1, 2, 4. It has one extra number other than 1 and the number itself. So it is called a composite number. Here you can see the definition. A composite number is a number that has more than two factors. For example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, and so on. Here are some important points. Every composite number has factors other than 1 and itself. As I told here, other than 1 and 4, it has extra factors. Every composite number has factors other than 1 and itself. It has 2 extra, right? So it is called a composite number. Composite number means having greater than 2 factors. More than 2. More than 2 factors means it is a composite. If it has only 2 factors, 1 and the number itself, then it's called prime number. And 4 is the smallest composite number. It starts from 4. So it is the smallest composite number. And here comes the special case. 1 is neither prime nor composite because what the prime and composite number definition says, for to be prime, it should have two factors, right? Which are those 1 and number itself, right? What about composite numbers? For composite, more than two factors, right? Means 1 and number itself and other extra factor. But for 1, it has only one factor, which is 1 only. So it don't has two factors or more than two factors. So it is not considered as prime or composite number. It is neither prime nor composite number. Here are some practice questions. Is 2 prime or composite? As we know, 2 is the prime number which has factors 1 and 2, and it is the even prime number, only one even prime number, that is 2. So it is prime number. Is 15 prime or composite? See, check 15. It can be divisible by 1. 1 15s are 15, right? 2, 3, 3 5s are 15. It has more than 2. Other than 1 and 15, it has extra 2 factors, right? It is a composite number. Is 17 prime number? 17 has only 2 factors, 1 and 17. So it is a prime number. Is 21 prime or composite? Let's check. 1 21s are 3 7s are, right? It has other than 1 and 21. 3 7 has, means it has total 4 factors, which is more than 2. It is a composite number. Write all the prime numbers between 1 and 20. So 1 is neither prime nor composite, right? We'll start. 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number, 5 is prime number, 7 is prime number, 11, 13, 17, 19. These all are between 1 to 20 prime numbers. And one more thing, let me add here. This is a trick. For any prime number which is greater than 5 can be written as 6n minus 1 or 6n plus 1. What does it mean? If you n values goes from 1, 2, 3, these are our natural numbers. Let me put some numbers, right? 6n minus 1. Let me put n equal to 1. 6 ones are 6 minus 1, which gives us 5. 6 into 1 plus 1, which gives 7. And I'll write so on. 6 into 2 minus 1, 11. 6 into 2 plus 1, which gives 13. Here you can see all prime numbers are coming here, right? So sometimes it may give composite number, but all prime numbers can be written in this form. If you consider any prime number, let me consider 17, 19, 17 and 19. 6 into 3 minus 1, this number. 6 into 3 plus 1, which gives 19. 18 minus 1, 17. 18 plus 1, 19. So for easy purpose, you can remember this one. 6n minus 1 or 6n plus 1. All prime numbers can be written in the form of 6n minus 1 or 6n plus 1. Right? Okay. And here are some homework questions. Please do solve and let me know the answers in the comment section. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.